What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Caspians, I'm back with some more bullish content for you guys. Kaspa absolutely crushing it. It's how could you guys, fade Kas when I was talking about it way earlier, man? Not super earlier, but just under 2x now for Kaspa, just about a full-on 2x, 97%, 95% up on Kaspa. A lot of people faded when I first started to talk about it, and look at where it's at now, and I really think it's gonna continue to crush it, man. Every time I check Kaspa price, it's higher price. It's good price. What's that meme? Every time I check the price, it's good price. So yeah, man, I really do believe Kaspa will continue to crush it. As far as utility goes, the technology is there, everything is there, everything checks out for the project. Fully decentralized, there's no team tokens or any unlocks that could happen that starts to dump the price. You know how a lot of projects have terrible tokenomics where 10% is circulating and then the team just dumps constantly, right? There's a few projects I can name right now have absolutely terrible tokenomics. Kaspa doesn't have that. It is a proof of work project, right? So mining helps the hash power and secure the hash rates, helps to secure the Kaspa network, which is super bullish because guess what? Proof of work is the original consensus of crypto. That is where it first started with Bitcoin, right? So proof of work projects will always have longevity in the space. We could take a look at Ethereum Classic, for example. ETC is still the proof of work Ethereum, and you guys see how ETC is always around and always just pumps out of nowhere, right? Like it's not going anywhere, right? Same thing will eventually happen for Kaspa. It's gonna solidify itself in the top 100, if not the top 10 of crypto, and it'll just continue to crush it, right? And just solidify itself and just be one of the projects that people consistently use the network for fast transactions, fast payments. Eventually it's gonna get smart contracts, so people are gonna start to build out DeFi projects on Kaspa, get some TVL into the ecosystem, GameFi projects, metaverse projects, the works, right? And a lot of builders and developers may fall in love with the Kaspa technology as well, and just that whole ecosystem of Kaspa will continue to grow and just continue to explode from here, in my opinion. As always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Caspians, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, make it go viral, share it all over, spread it constantly to everybody, man. Support all the Kaspa content creators so we could go viral, just like how that the XRP community is, right? The first project I bought in crypto was XRP because when I started to research crypto, I always saw XRP videos, right? That was the first thing that popped up for me, right? Let's make the same thing happen here with Kaspa. The first thing people see when they open YouTube, Kaspa videos. Let's go, man. Kaspa up 1.5%. As you guys can see, it was did a retrace back down, and it's already made the bounce, man. It already made the bounce. $551 million in market cap, $14.7 million in 24-hour trade volume. Kas is so freaking bullish, man. So much volume across different exchanges. Mexi, for example, getting $3.1 million in volume for Kas. KuCoin getting $2 million. Man, I'm telling you guys, this project is a beast, and it's going to blow people's minds. Kas $1 soon from 2,589. Shout out to you. From four color doc. Every time I do the math, I keep coming up with $22 per coin when Kaspa reaches about 90% emissions. What? BTC just now introduced the equivalent of smart contracts, so the tiny fact that Kas has none yet doesn't dissuade me from buying more and more and some more. Exactly, man. When the ecosystem develops and smart contracts get introduced for Kaspa, it's another ball game, man. After 10 BPS as well is completed, it's a freaking other ball game, guys. So keep an eye out on that. Let's take a look at trading view real quick. Let's see what we got, man, for trading view. Check out the Kaspa chart. Yeah, man, it made this retrace and it's already starting to bounce from here. I wouldn't be surprised we just continue up further from here, guys, for Kas, guys. So always gonna be super bullish on Kas, man. Take a look at the Twitter. Nothing really new on the Twitter as yet. Bitpanda global listing, pretty nice stuff. Heard of Bitpanda before as well. We got some nice tweets from the Kaspa community, guys, from Jim Skibum. I've slimmed down my portfolio a lot, to say the least. Cas now 73%, followed by BTC at 22%. Stateless money is the most valuable thing you could have in crypto. Fear launch, secure, hard money you can't frick with. It's why this tech was created in the first place. Transfer of value without any middlemen. Trustless, that's what trustless means. And Kaspa just takes it to a new level with the combo of speed and security and smart contracts in the pipeline. There's still things that could be unveiled for Kaspa that makes it explode even more, guys. Just think about that. My mind is melting thinking about it, man. Maybe I'll play some other stuff later this cycle, but for now this is it. Kaspa is the ticket, and you see he got 73% in Kas. Got some BTC as well. Kaspa enthusiast, my name is not chosen without reason. Kas is still a hidden treasure, and without changing anything in my wallet, Kaspa will soon take 99% of the wallet. He about to be full on Kaspa maxi. 92% of Kaspa in his portfolio, his or her portfolio, not to misgender anybody. Andrew saying Kas, Nadi, light, I'm underexposed. Dan, this is the way, dedication, I love it. Kas 2024 chart. Shout out to everybody, man. Do you see any similarities? It is the current Kas chart compared to early Bitcoin chart. If you consider that Kas has already pumped, just zoom out. Kas didn't reach 1/10 of its potential and has the ingredients to pull a massive run from here. Wow, it's literally the same chart. Look at the Bitcoin chart, look at the Kaspa chart. Wow. And it got so much more to grow for Kas, man. It got so much more to grow. Absolutely amazing stuff, guys. Aren't you guys blown away by how well this project is doing compared to the rest of the market? Do you guys have any other altcoins that are performing as well as Kaspa? Let me know, man, because this thing is performing so great. Captain Sats, here are the consensus guys over at Protocol Labs. File holders, Filecoin, you should check out where the block that pioneers and creator Phantom Spectre is up to over at Kas. Kaspa is breaking NC POW records. This is a minute-long video. Let's make sure my audio is on point and take a look at it, guys. Captain Sats always got the great videos, man. Makes me upset not getting in Kas earlier.
And this leads us to this sort of second really important component of EC, which is chain selection. So for chain selections, we sort of follow a simple rule. Forks are bad, convergence is good, and sort of batching blocks together helps push the blockchain to converge. So we're using a block DAG structure like in Phantom or Spectre so that we make use of all the computation that was sort of, or all the storage that was generated in a given round. And we call this set of blocks a tip set. So we're batching blocks that are output in a given round and using that.
Guys, it's so crazy to me that all of these protocols have been using Kaspa's technology, but they haven't perfected it like Kaspa has. Look at this. This is Phantom Ghost DAG Spectre technology, man. It's so insane, man. I really wish I could go back in time. I wish I had a time machine to buy this project so much earlier, man. But you know, we're gonna ride out what we got, man. We're gonna be thankful and ride out what we got, right?
A tip set to mine off of, as opposed to mining off of an individual block. Again, why do we want to do this? Well, because we have multiple parents, we can get more sort of attempts at grinding or at mining off of a subchain, which leads to longer convergence. And yet, we also don't want to waste that storage that people have put out, so I'm repeating myself. But we deal with that by having miners combine their parents to try and rein the sort of forking factor in.
There you have it, guys. Right there, so many protocols, so many crypto projects that are established crypto projects have been using the Kaspa technology, man. It's crazy. Just was about to sneeze, guys, to stop myself. Moonshot Josh, new all-time high hash rate, cash hash rate, date, and the block size. Record after record is being shattered. I'm going to have to wait until 2.5 PHS for the next post as these are becoming daily, man. Crazy stuff from Cas, man. Let's see what from Kaspa enthusiasts. Let's see what Kaspa is going to do in the next few days. Cas has an incredible performance, and the hash rate has doubled within 3 months. I think another 3 months we'll see another doubling. The last pump, the hash rate also doubled. Okay, so he's looking for that 2x target on its way to 4 to 5 cent per Kaspa. Send it, man. Send it to 4 to 5 cent. I'll be happy. RVC Crypto. Listen, guys, I'm not a TA expert, but the cash chart looks like it wants to go for a new all-time high. I'm not a TA expert either, but I could agree, man. RV Crypto. Torenzo, I'm keeping all the cash that these beasts are making, not selling. I guess the ASIC miner selling pressure photos, people selling their cash to actually buy the ASICs, and now we will continue. Fun fact, each KS0 does the same hash rate as 90 RTX 3090 at 70 watts. So this is a mining rig right here. We got some these are somewhat GPUs. I think these are GPUs, guys. Yeah, man. So yeah, mining Cas, man, monitoring the temperature and all the Kaspa that he's mined. He's just gonna save it for the bowl, man. Crypto Phoenix, did I already mention that Cas is a beast? Do you know any other proof of work where hash rate is escalating this hard? Writings on the wall. It's clear as day. It's clear as day that Cas is a unicorn, man. It's such a beast, man. It is such a beast. I'm not gonna fade, man. Hope you guys don't fade either. Iyali, Yablon, shout out to you. This Kaspa on the top 100 year percent change. For some reason, you don't let Kaspa into your top 200. Why? Because CZ doesn't want Kaspa to get the shine, man. CZ Coin Market Cap, they don't want Kaspa to get the shine yet. They're too busy shilling Pepe right now. They're too busy shilling Pepe, man. But it's only a matter of time until we in the top 100. It's only a matter of time till we in the top 100. CZ will have to bend the knees to Cas, man. Kaspa is too powerful. The community is too strong. The developers in Cas are too smart. We're gonna get to the top 10 before you know it, guys. Caspians, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Kaspa and myself will be in the description. And also check out the Patreon. Link to that is in the description. Just call the 2x on the Patreon, and there will be more plays on the Patreon, only exclusive to the Patreon. Buy alerts, sell alerts, and my private Discord. Don't miss it, guys. Blow this video up, guys. Cast to the moon. Catch you in the next one.